Hi friend, David here from Learn Stage Lighting, and in this video we've got the brand stinking new, really excited for it, Onyx NX P fader wing. So let's talk about it. Let's unbox it. Let's show you what you get with the fader wing, talk a little bit about what it does and why it's a great addition to so many Onyx setups at just an absurdly good price point. Okay, so we're going to open it up here. Get that guy open. Just got this in yesterday afternoon, about supper time. Really excited to open this guy up. So, like all Onyx products, it's double boxed, handle with care, all that goodness. I'm just going to open up both boxes inside of each other because as much as an unboxing is about the boxes, it's really not. We want to see the light. You know, we want to see, in this case, the console. Okay, so foam on top, just like the NX1. If you haven't checked out our review video of that, our unboxing, check it out here. And we've got desk lamp, soft cover, USB cable, True 1 power cable. I'm actually going to leave that in there, and Onyx USB drive, which typically has the latest Onyx software on it, some safety instructions, etc. Put these guys all on the side here, and then the Onyx NX P. Bless this thing. This thing's wonderful. Okay, so let's talk about why we love it and get this guy on the table. So, the Onyx NX P has been a somewhat long-awaited fader wing from the Onyx team because there's a couple really cool things about it. One, of course, they launched it in the middle of 2022, where the world is still dealing with supply chain issues, chip shortage issues, manufacturing issues, shutdowns for quarantines, all that good stuff. And going to grab my True 1 from my NX1 here so I don't have to unwrap this one right now. And you know, it's been in really high demand because this guy, for the price that you pay for this wing, okay, with other console brands you might get a wing with non-motorized faders, or it's like $1,000 cheaper than a lot of other consoles wings with motorized faders, sometimes considerably more than that. Okay, so what is the NX P? Let's talk about it. Okay, so the NX P in physical form, first off, 10 motorized playback faders, and this is a full playback fader in the sense that you get 4 buttons that are tied to that fader. Inside the Onyx software or console, those are completely customizable. Okay, so you know that's often a select and then a go, and then a stop or a back, and then a release, but you can choose. Then we have a main playback section, not a fader, but a go back, a go and back button and pause. So you can have a different cue list on this section than from these 10, so that's 11. And then you got yourself multifunction keys. So these can be playbacks or F keys, which is really awesome. So you get 10 of those. So the beauty of this is that you can go ahead and have playback buttons on these keys. You can also, you should be able to in the Onyx software, I haven't verified it yet because I just unwrapped this, you should be able to flip these out onto the faders if you want to adjust the level and flip the faders over to the keys. Then F keys are used for function keys inside of Onyx as well. Moving to the sides and whatnot, so it's rubberized here on the palm rest, rubberized on the sides. The sides also have this key system, this locking system basically, where the different wings can lock together and it's magnetized. And then on the rear, we have for ourselves, you can't see a squat on that camera. We have for ourselves 4 DMX outputs. We have a USB input, USB output, power input, power switch. Okay. So the NX P can be used in a couple different ways with Onyx. Number one, plug it into a PC. There is a USB cord included. Now you've got a PC wing. You've got 4 universes unlocked, a Nova Plus license in Onyx, and you're able to go ahead there. Oh, did I miss something there? No, that's just the underside of the palm rest. So you get that Nova Plus license, and you're rocking and rolling. Okay, nice rubber feet on it. Really good build. You've got your desk lamp, USB desk lamp, so it's not fancy. It doesn't have control built in, but it is a desk lamp and it is included. You don't have to pay extra for it, like other console brands. Okay. We've got the nice cover. I'm not going to unwrap this one, but they're really nice. They're a fabric cover. They fit the sides well. And if you take the desk lamp, you can plug it in the back. The cover can go over the unit fully. Okay. What else? So these faders are motorized. So like I said, you can use it, plug it into a PC. These can be your 10 main faders. You can go ahead, you can plug this into a console. Now these can be set up to be a second segment of faders, completely independent from the 10 main faders on that console. So that console could be a PC with an NX Touch, it could be an NX1, it could be an NX2, it could be an NX4, it could be anything into the future, because Onyx hardware is compatible across the board. The sides are super cool because, again, these little keyholes actually latch with their brothers, okay, with their other consoles, with the NXK or NX1. So let's take a look here real quick. Just going to pop this up here. NXP on this side. Grab the NX1. NX1 comes over here. Just going to bring them together. Come together. Boom. They snap together. There's some little magnets. It's not like a super strong magnet, but you can see here, they stay together. If I'm on here programming, doing stuff, they stay together. The beauty of this interlocking system is for people like me. I'm a lefty. I'm probably going to start getting used to keypad all the way on the left, NX1, screen in the middle, faders on the right. For other people, a more traditional setup, of course, would be to take this guy, the NXP, and put him over here, right? And then basically 20 faders side by side, screen, keypad. But the cool thing with this setup, with the NXP, NX1, NXK setup, is if you get all 3, or if you just get 2, or if you just get one of them, you can pair them together in any way you want. You can orient them in any direction. So, in terms of build quality, in terms of faders, we really like what we're seeing here. These things are really solid, honestly a little bit heavier than I anticipated, but that's quality. The paint, good quality. I know Matthias from the team, who's on the product development team, who leads it, always talks about how he likes expensive paint. It does show. It's a really good finish where it's got some texture in it. It feels tough. It's not just going to chip off tomorrow. Just, it's everything I hoped it would be. So, that's about it for this unboxing, to show you, hey, we get all these cables in the box, we get the desk lamp included, we get the cover included. You know, some companies charge $50 for a dust cover that's as good of a quality as this one, which is included. Hallelujah. Now, don't be like me and leave dust covers at venues. I've done that so many times. Oh my goodness. But the NXP is just a killer option if you're looking to have a fader wing with real motorized faders on a PC or with an Onyx console. I think it's pretty indispensable and really stinking awesome, and we'll get more into that in our review video. Until then, thanks for watching this unboxing. If you want to catch all of our Onyx videos as we're unveiling all these new videos about the new NX1, NXP, and NXK, or you're coming back later, we're going to have videos here on Learn Stage Lighting Gear. We're going to have videos on the main Learn Stage Lighting site and also on Learn Stage Lighting Onyx. So be sure you're subscribed to all of those videos. And if you watch this and you say, okay, I was on the fence, I wasn't sure, I watched your videos, now I know this is the right fit for me, then hop over to Learn Stage Lighting Gear. We're an Obsidian Controls dealer, and we're the Onyx experts. So we would love to help get this into your hands, help you get this for your venue, for your production company, for your personal use, whatever you do. We are your Onyx dealers. So hop over there, request a quote. We can bundle in training when you do that, and we really love to help you out. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Bye.